ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम,
ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम,
ऐसे हो हमारे करम। नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम। बड़ा कमजोर है आदमी,
बड़ा कमजोर है आदमी,
अभी लाखों है इसमें कमी। पर तू जो खड़ा है दयालु बड़ा, तेरी कृपा से धरती थमी। दिया तूने हमें जब जन्म, तू ही झेलेगा हम सबके गम। नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम।
ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम। नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, बड़ा कमजोर है आदमी, अभी लाखों है इसमें कमी। पर तू जो खड़ा है दयालु बड़ा, तेरी कृपा से धरती थमी। दिया तूने हमें जब जन्म, तू ही झेलेगा हम सबके हम। नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ये अंधेरा घना छा रहा, तेरा इंसान घबरा रहा। हो रहा बेखबर, कुछ न आता नजर, सुख का सूरज छुपा जा रहा। है तेरी रोशनी में जो दम, तो अमावस को कर दे पूनम। नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, जब जुल्मों का हो सामना, तब तू भी हमें थामना। वो बुराई करे हम भलाई करे, नहीं बदले की हो कामना। बढ़ उठे प्यार का हर कदम, और मिटे बैर का ये भरम। नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम।
ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम। नेकी पर चले और बदी से टले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे कृपा से धरती थमी, दिया तूने हमें जब जन्म, तू ही झेलेगा हम सबके गम। नीति पर चली और बदी से टली, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम। जब जुल्मों का हो सामना, जब जुल्मों का हो सामना, तब तू ही हमें थामना। वो बुराई करे हम भलाई भरे, नहीं बदले की हो कामना। बढ़ उठे प्यार का हर कदम, और मिटे बैर का ये भरम। नीति पर चली और बदी से टली, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम।
I think Vasant Desai and his composition and Bharat Vyas's lyrics, very, very powerful lyrics. There is a very strong moral core in the song. But I just wanted to speak a little bit about, first of all, it's a very, very simple, hummable tune. It's Bhairavi. So it's very, very simple tune, and I was noticing that a lot of people were humming even today, you know. So it's something that you like to sing along, and the use of the chorus, I think, plays a very important role, because this idea of building a community, and there is a very different use of chorus in both versions. In the male version, it is actually the chorus which is actually singing the song, and he's trying to just read it out, or you know. But in the female version, when Lata is the solo singer, but there is backing by, so there is a kind of a way in which the idea of a community is being built, you know, following Lata. You know, in the second song, I noticed that there is that idea of resonant voices following Lata's lead singing. And there's a lot of emphasis on Lata's voice. There's a lot of that frontality of the voice which is given, which is not there in the male version. So these are the things that I wanted to speak about. And also I noticed that in the section which was played briefly when Shantaram is waiting for the prisoners to return, and there's a clock and they haven't come. So there you see the use of the German expressionist style. So that image, that is something that was very, very interesting, because Shantaram uses it in all his films. The use of the silhouette, the use of the light following the darkness, the play with light and darkness, and that goes with the lyrics of the song, because it says ye andhera घना छा रहा तेरा इंसान घबरा रहा. So that section has been very, very beautifully choreographed in terms of its visual grafting, the way it has been visually grafted, and the way the light, the play with the light and darkness is there in that song. And then it says tu amavas ko kar de punam, so how to get rid of this darkness. So I think that it is a song which has been played a lot. I think the circulation of the song is also important. Mast Kalandar, this is a very highly viewed song on Mast Kalandar channel, and it's been used as a prayer in so many schools, we've come across. So yes, this is what I would like to say.
Prison reform, has been a long journey within our country, and it's not really taken off with the results we expected, but they've tried. They've tried for years. Ravi, your thoughts, please.
Actually, there was an open jail experiment carried out in the pre-independence period in the one of the Marathwada provinces, and I remember a paper being presented by one of the scholars at CSDS. So it's actually taken from real historic experiment. It's not as if he's conjuring up from nowhere. So that's important. Shantaram is one of my favorite directors for the daredevilry and for the range. Apna Desh, for example, was such a bold statement on independence and partition, a film that brought the two together, and also corruption and patriotism. Can there be one definition of patriotism which we can impose? So, Apna Desh, Teen Batti Char Rasta, took issues with the dominant language discourse of the time when you had, Tatsam Pradhan Hindi being imposed by Dr. Raghuveer and others. Here is a so in that context, Bharat Vyas is also posed as the antidote to Urdu-dominated lyrics and language of Hindi cinema. I don't think. Look at these lyrics. This is completely Hindustani. So they are together. Although Shantaram worked with Diwan Sharar. Diwan Sharar, who was also the actor, but also a poet and writer for a lot of his films. But here, Bharat Vyas does what he usually does not do or he's not expected to do, in the sense that using Hindustani. Also, this film, it's also a commentary on the criminality and caste. When the film opens, you see a kind of roll call of prisoners, and if you look at their names, they are not upper caste people. So all these criminals don't belong to upper caste. They belong to non-upper caste. So it's a barren land that we see, open jail, which has to be greened with a great deal of empathy, a great deal of spirituality as well. This figure of this woman also, she comes to the film like a breeze, and she changes the screen. She changes the characters also. So in that context, it's a wonderful film and a good song, as Shikha has already told us so beautifully.
Anta, your thoughts, please.
Yeah, I think all the points, I mean, beautifully covered by both of you. And what is stunning for me in all V. Shantaram films is the intent behind the film. He did not make films just for the sake of making films. He brought in a lot of purpose in each of his films. And starting with all the films that he did even before this, Duniya Na Mane, this Admi, the Manus, Punku, and doing these films simultaneously in Marathi and Hindi. Now, keeping the backdrop of V. Shantaram in mind, I mean, the struggles he went through, and bringing that Marathi Sangeet Natak tradition into Hindi cinema, which was, again, as you said, Ravikant Ji, it was Urdu dominated in a way. And standing steadfast with it, taking it forward. Even the costumes that you see here are folk costumes, unstitched dhotis. They're not stitched dhotis. So it's very rooted in the tradition. He's not fooling around with any of the, even the props are very rustic. And the use of lighting, as Shikhaji said, is that you are using Bhairavi, you are using Keherwa, you are using that the sunlight in a way that you are equating sunlight with God. So that is, you are bringing a lot of purpose in one frame and getting a message across, and so forcefully that even today people remember V. Shantaram as an author, as a pioneer. I mean, we saw that that trolley shot. Trolley shot was pioneered by V. Shantaram. Nobody ever thought of a trolley. The camera was held and manually managed. So all these things come together to make a frame.
These are things he learned also
Yes.
by traveling out. But
So it's a stunning.
well, my mistake was I wanted to show Janak compile one song after this just to juxtapose two very mind spaces of his. But instead, I took the choice of trying to focus on B.R. Chopra. So let us move to our second song and open the world of Nea Daur and B.R. Chopra.